Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to change the couple photo to become a super cool comic style. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can start to install this CapCut, and here I am accessing it with my Android phone, and don't worry because this CapCut can be also installed into your iOS phone or even the tab and also the personal computer or laptop guys. And after that, don't forget to do the login first with your email to have the chance and also access to try out every single tool that has been provided with the CapCut here. And after that you can go to the template here to try to change the couple photo of yours. And in the searching section here I will type the comic couple AI like this, and here you will see a lot of cool template to transform or change your couple picture to become this type of cartoon guys. And for example, I will choose this one, comic couple AI here. So this will show you the transition when the picture or the original picture has been transformed into this comic style. And for this template, they will give you 3 chances to transform your photo. So here I will continue to click use template here, and after that I will continue to click this picture, and after that or after the picture being uploaded here, then you can click next here and kindly wait for the generation process, and also make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run smoothly. And after waiting for maybe 1 minute until 3 minutes, so the generation process is done and the result will be ready. Let's see guys. So the transition is from up to down. As you can see, this is the output, and also this is the picture of the girl. And also it will give you the additional picture and also in the cartoon style. Isn't that cool, right? So you can continue to click export here to save it into your device, and you can continue to click export down here, and this transition video or animation will be officially saved into your gallery. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.